Have you ever wondered why SBI doesn't move much? Let us see why. The notion that SBI doesn't move is actually not true. SBI is such a big and trusted name in India that investors expect a lot from its stock, and therefore we all get disappointed. Let us see its stock performance. Let us begin from January 21, क्योंकि उसके पहले कोविड पैंडेमिक आया और उस वक्त किसी भी स्टॉक का एनालिसिस करना बेकार था. From January 21 to February 21, in just 1 month, the stock went from 300 to 400, that is 33%. Then after that, it remained stable at 425. Then it moved between 450 and 500 from October 21 to June 22, multiple times. Whoever could time it correctly could get good returns in short term. But timing in short term is not possible for everyone and is not recommended. And therefore, that was a frustrating time for many investors. Nothing happened to the stock during that time. Since June 22 till today, it is now moving up and down between 525 and 600. It touched 630 once, but mostly between 525 and 600 has been the range. Again, same frustration. So the stock moves. Percentage wise, it moves reasonably, but it never sees a one-way rally. But why so? SBI is one of the biggest banks in the world. Yes, you heard it right. Not just in India, but in the world. Very few banks, private or government, can match the kind of network SBI has. Maybe one or two Chinese banks can match the scale SBI has. SBI has more than 60,000 active ATMs across India. On any given day, adding, closing, maintaining a few thousand ATMs is routine for SBI. India's population is 140 crores plus. There are 50 crore plus savings accounts in SBI. The next larger bank in India is HDFC Bank, which is nowhere near that 50 crore mark. आपके अकाउंट में ये जो पैसे होते होंगे ना डॉट के बाद वाले, सिर्फ इसको ऐड करेंगे तो भी SBI में ₹30 to 35 करोड़ हो जाएंगे. SBI is often made fun of its in-branch services, and yet Indians trust SBI. There is hardly any family in India who doesn't have an account in SBI. It has extra security when it comes to online presence. For example, you need CAPTCHA and OTP both at the time of logging in. Most private banks have either CAPTCHA or OTP. Some just have passwords. SBI's OTP is 6 digits and seems like they will need 8 digits soon. Even inside the account, you need password for accessing your own profile details. It has an app called YONO. Can you imagine the pain of the companies who are managing SBI's website and app? So many customers trying to log in and do transactions at any given time. Can you imagine how difficult it must be to handle thousands of branches and lakhs of employees, to maintain RBI rules, to adhere to government policies which get updated regularly? बहुत सारे गवर्नमेंट वेलफेयर स्कीम्स का पैसा सीधे SBI से ही जाता है डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होने के लिए. SBI became so big over time that they separated their card business into SBI cards, a separate entity listed on stock exchanges. So the point is, SBI is a perfect reflection of what India is doing. If India is doing good, SBI will do good, and vice versa. So a country of India's size, do you think it can grow 2x or 5x in 1 year? Not possible, right? The progress will be slow and steady, and hence SBI will grow over the years, but it will never rally in a short period. Even if it does so, it will immediately come down to some realistic valuation. SBI's current numbers are like this: price to book of 1.8, price to earning 8.0, market cap of 5,35,000 crores. Very moderate valuations considering its significance in India. And the valuation will always remain moderate until something drastic happens. Hence, if you are an SBI investor, then you should know what to expect from this stock. Never get too excited about this stock because SBI likes to take it slow and steady. जल्दी क्या है?